Hey y'all, it's SheRea, what's up? Doesn't this treatment look like chocolate? Well, it's even yummier on the hair. In this video, I'm going to share a super easy treatment that will give your hair all the moisture and strength that it needs to grow longer, thicker, and stronger. Typically, I would tell you to whip out a bunch of ingredients like henna, marshmallow root, cocoa butter, or shea butter. But what if I told you we could skip all of these and just use one product that combines all of these nourishing ingredients without all of the work? Well, this is where Henna Souk's Henna Gloss Bar comes in. Thank you to Henna Souk for partnering with me to share this goodness. All you have to do is create a double boiler by placing a glass bowl in a pan or a pot of water on the stove and popping the bar in the bowl. That's it. Instead of directly heating the bar in a pot, this preserves the full benefits of the ingredients. Do not microwave this bar. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the bar to fully melt down on medium heat. Once fully melted, you have a treatment that looks like melted chocolate. So good. You can't stop here, but I know this would not be enough for my waist-length hair, so I have to go in with 6 ounces of conditioner. I used a mix of 3 different deep conditioners because I was trying to use them up, but you can use a cheap rinse-out conditioner as well. Use whatever you have and how much you need for your hair length and density. Once it's completely mixed, you get a henna hair gloss that will take your hair to the next level. Use it right away as the butters can reharden in cool temperatures. I apply this treatment on clean, damp hair that I air dry for an hour. Although henna is not a protein treatment and should not, I repeat, should not replace protein treatments, it does strengthen the hair like you wouldn't believe. It binds to the keratin protein on the surface of our hair strands and fills in the gaps to repair damaged hair. Henna also adds luster and shine, promotes hair growth, thickens hair strands, and the list goes on. I mean, literally, it goes on and on and on. If you're not a fan of henna, no worries, I got you. I recommend you use Henna Souk's Sweet Honey Gloss Bar, which uses cassia, a similar strengthening herb to henna. I bought it with my own money and used it in the past, even before I started working with Henna Souk, and it was a dream. You can't go wrong with either bar. Once the treatment is applied, I sit under my steamer for 40 minutes to really allow the henna to work its magic. I highly recommend steaming these herbal treatments to unleash their greatest benefits into the hair. I will link my steamer down below. Once I finish steaming, I rinse the treatment out with warm water. My hair feels super duper soft, and the shine and luster is out of this world. Plus, my curls are springy and defined. Love that for me. This is definitely an absolute favorite from the brand, and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful as always. Love you so much. Peace.